Hello students, today we are going to solve sample paper of class 12th biology term 1 which is issued by Punjab School Education Board. So students, let's see our question paper. Time allowed is 1 hour and maximum marks are 35. There will be total of 35 multiple choice questions in the paper. All questions are compulsory. There will be no overall choice in the question paper. So students, let's start our questions. Question 1. The most significant feature of vegetative propagation is that option A, it is a method of producing a large number of individuals genetically identical to the parent. Option B, it is a method of producing a large number of individuals genetically different from the parent. Option C, it ensures that the progeny individuals are resistant to diseases and pests. Option D, it is an age-old practice. So students, the most significant feature of vegetative propagation is that it is a method of producing a large number of individuals genetically identical to the parent. So option A is correct. So next question. Vegetative propagation in water hyacinth occurs by suckers, offset, runners or rhizome. So its correct option is option B. Vegetative propagation in water hyacinth occurs by offset. Question third. Pollen grains are well preserved as fossils because of the presence of option A, cell membrane, option B, intine, option C, sporopollenin, option D, germ pores. So students, its correct option is option C, that pollen grains are well preserved as fossils because of the presence of sporopollenin. Option C is correct option. Next question. Spiny or sticky pollen grains and large, attractively colored flowers are associated with option A, pollination by water, option B, pollination by insects, option C, pollination by wind, or option D, pollination by birds. So we know that spiny or sticky pollen grains and large attractively colored flowers are associated with pollination by insects. So option B is correct. Next question. Yes, next question. The cells of endosperm have 24 chromosomes. What will be the number of chromosomes in the gametes? Option A 8, option B 16, option C 23 or option D 32. So its correct option is option A. The cells of endosperm have 24 chromosomes. What will be the number of chromosomes in the gametes? So its correct answer is option A 8. Next question. The true embryo develops as a result to fusion of option A, two polar nuclei of embryo sac, option B, egg cell and male gamete, option C, synergid and male gamete, option D, male gamete and antipodals. So its correct option is option B. The true embryo develops as a result to fusion of egg cell and male gamete. Option B. Next question. Yes, next question is, while planning for an artificial hybridization program involving dioecious plants, Which of the following steps would not be relevant? Option A, bagging of female flower. Option B, dusting of pollen on stigma. Option C, emasculation. Or option D, collection of pollen. So its correct option is option A, bagging of female flower. Next question. Which part of the sperm plays an important role in penetrating the egg membrane? Options are allosome, option B tail, option C autosome, or option D acrosome. So its correct option is option D acrosome. Next question. In the given diagram, parts labeled A, B and C are identified as egg. The parts A, B and C are identified as egg. Yes, option A acrosome, neck, tail. Option B tail, neck, acrosome. Option C acrosome, tail, neck. Or option D neck, tail, acrosome. So in this diagram, A, B and C, these are, its correct option is option A. A is acrosome, B is neck and C is tail. Next question. Temperature of the scrotum, which is necessary for the functioning of testis, is always dash around below body temperature. Yes, options are 2 degrees centigrade, 4 degrees centigrade, 6 degrees centigrade, or option D 8 degrees centigrade. So the correct option for this question is option A, 2 degrees centigrade. That temperature of the scrotum which is necessary for the function of testis is always 2 degrees centigrade around below body temperature. Yes, question 11th. The third stage of parturition is called afterbirth. In this stage, option A, excessive bleeding occurs. Option B, fetus is born and cervix of and vagina contraction to normal condition happens. Option C, fetus is born and contraction of uterine wall prevents excessive bleeding. Option D, placenta is expelled out. So its correct option is option D, placenta is expelled out. Next question. Ovulation in human female is induced by hormone. Option A, FSH hormone. Option B, oxytocin. Option C, LH. Or option D, relaxin. So its correct option is option C, LH. Yes, next question. Question number 13th. Yes, next question, question number 13th. From the sexually transmitted diseases mentioned below, identify the one which does not specially affect the sex organs. Yes, options are option A syphilis, option B AIDS, option C gonorrhea, option D genital warts. So its correct option is option B AIDS. Next question. In case of an infertile couple, male has very low sperm count in ejaculation, but female has normal functioning reproductive system and can provide suitable environment for fertilization and further development of embryo. Suggest the assisted reproductive technology most helpful to this couple. Option A, artificial insemination. option B vasectomy, option C tubectomy, or option D ZIFT, zift. So its correct option is option A, artificial insemination. Next question, increased infant mortality rate and decreased maternal mortality rate in a population will option A cause rapid increase in the growth, B result in decline in growth rate, C not cause significant change in growth rate, D result in an explosive population. So its correct option is option B, result in decline in growth rate. Yes, next question. Persons having genotype IA, IB would show the blood group as AB. This is because of option A pleiotrophy, option B codominance, option C segregation, or option D incomplete dominance. So its correct option is option B codominance. Next question, a cross between two tall plants resulted in offspring having few dwarf plants. What would be the genotype of both the parents? Capital T and capital T small t, capital T small t and capital T small t, option C capital T and capital T, option D capital T small t and small t. So its correct option is option D, capital T and small t. Next question, Mendeleev's law of independent assortment holds good for genes situated on the option A non-homologous chromosomes, option B homologous chromosomes, option C extra nuclear genetic element, or option D same chromosome. So its correct option is option B homologous chromosomes. Next question, a colorblind woman marries a normal visioned male in the offspring. Option A, both sons and daughters are colorblind, all daughters are colorblind, all sons are normal, option D, all sons are colorblind, daughters carriers. So its correct option is option D, all sons are colorblind, daughters carriers. Next question, genetic disorder caused due to the additional copy of chromosome 21 is option A sickle cell anemia, option B Down's syndrome, option C Turner's syndrome, or option D Klinefelter's syndrome. So its correct option is option B, Down's syndrome. Next question, a nucleoside differs from a nucleotide. It lacks the option A base, option B sugar, option C phosphate group, or option D hydroxyl group. So its correct option is option C, phosphate group. Next question, sickle cell anemia results from a single base substitution in a gene. Thus, it is an example of A. point mutation, B. frame shift mutation, C. silent mutation, or D. retrogressive mutation. So its correct option is option A, point mutation. Next question, identify A, B and C in the given process. Yes, in the given process, what are A, B, and C? Option A, template DNA, discontinuous synthesis, continuous synthesis. Option B, discontinuous synthesis, template DNA, continuous synthesis. Option C, discontinuous synthesis, continuous synthesis, template DNA. Option D, template DNA, continuous synthesis, discontinuous synthesis. So its correct option is option A, template DNA, then discontinuous synthesis, then continuous synthesis. Yes, students. Next question. If a double-stranded DNA has 30% of cytosine, calculate the percentage of adenine in the DNA. Option A 10, option B 20, option C 30, or option D 40. So its correct option is option B 20. Next question. If the sequence of nitrogen bases of the coding strand of DNA in a transcription unit is 5 ATG A ATG 3, the sequence of bases in its RNA transcript would be option A 5 AUGA AUG3, B 5 UAC UUC3, or option C 5 TAC TTAC3, or 3 AUGA AUG5. So its correct option is option A 5 AUG AAUG3. Next question. Industrial melanism is an example of option A natural selection, option B neo-Lamarckism, option C neo-Darwinism, or option D mutation. So its correct option is option A natural selection. Next question. Analogous organs arise due to option A divergent evolution, option B artificial selection, option C genetic drift, or option D convergent evolution. So its correct option is option D convergent evolution. Next question. After about how many years of formation of Earth, life appeared on this planet? Option A 50 billion years, option B 500 billion years, option C 50 million years, or option D 500 million years. So its correct option is option B 500 billion years. Next question. Yes, next question. The forelimbs of various organisms shown the following diagram are the examples of. Yes, these are forelimbs of man, these are forelimbs of cheetah, these are forelimbs of whale, these are forelimbs of bat. So these forelimbs are examples of option A homologous organs, option B analogous organs, option C paleontological evidence for evolution, or option D embryological evidence for evolution. So its correct option is option A homologous organs. Next question. The character that proves that frogs have evolved from fishes is option A their ability to swim in water, option B tadpole larva in frogs. Option B, option C, similarity in the shape of the head, or option D, they are feeding on aquatic plants. So its correct option is option B, tadpole larva in frogs. Yes, students, our next question is antibodies present in a colostrum which protect the newborn from certain diseases is of IgG type, IgA type, IgD type, or IgE type. So its correct option is option B, IgA type. Next question, ringworm in human beings is caused by option A, Plasmodium vivax, option B, Trichophyton, option C, Salmonella typhi, or option D, rhinovirus. So its correct option is option B, Trichophyton. Next question, which of the following is not a lymphoid tissue? Spleen, tonsil, pancreas, thymus. So its correct option is option C, pancreas. Next question, a toxic substance responsible for the chills and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days in a malaria fever is option A, interferon, option B, hemozoin, option C, herodin, or option D, colostrum. So its correct option is option B, hemozoin. Next question, a person named Harish consumes alcohol on daily basis. He is diagnosed with cirrhosis. Which of the following organ will be most adversely affected? Option A, liver, option B, lungs, option C, kidney, or option D, heart. So its correct option is option A, liver. So students, today we have solved sample paper issued by Punjab School Education Board in October month of class 12th biology term 1. Thanks for watching our video.